anyone heard of branching in ChatGPT yet? So, branching is when you can take this one main point and you can ask multiple different questions without ever losing your place. So, think of it as almost like a decision tree. When I select branch and new chat, another chat pops up. However, this chat still exists. So, I didn't lose any information. I have my original chat. All I did was click branch and new chat. The first prompt I want to throw in to my new chat is what questions might come up in my 12:30 call? Because again, I see my calendar. It says I have a 12:30 call. What questions might come up? Okay, that's a fair question, right? The connector told me what I had going on today and how to prep for it. But now I want to know what questions might come up. And so I get a nice little output of the potential questions that could come up during this 12:30 call. So this is where the branching is really nice. So this was our new chat, but perhaps we want to go back to our initial chat. This is a very realistic workflow. And so we can branch off our chats and in one chat, prepare questions for a 12:30 call. And in another chat, prepare talking points for another call and never lose our place,